I am wiser than this man, for neither of us appears to know anything great and good. But he fancies he knows something, although he knows nothing. Whereas as I do not know anything, so I do not fancy I do. In this trifle in particular, then, I appear to be wiser than he, because I do not fancy I know what I do not know. This is Socrates admitting he knows nothing. And that's what we all should do. Welcome back to a new video. I am the Italian investor and today we must talk about something that is destroying your portfolio. A lot of people is arrogant enough to believe they know everything about investing. Many people which never read an annual report believe they know how to value a stock and how to choose an investment. This is really risky, really dangerous. I have an Italian YouTube channel since around 2 years and I read the most crazy comments. I always see people pretending to know everything about a stock, even though they never read even a report from that company. But this happens in every field. People always think they know better. They always think they know everything. We have seen it during the pandemic with people becoming medical experts, or we are seeing it right now with the conflict between Russia and Ukraine. Everyone has become a geopolitician. People tend to overvalue their knowledge in any field. For example, it happened to me in real life many times talking about investing. Right now I'm investing since around 9 years, and every time I talk to someone about my investing, what I'm doing, even though they have never invested even €1, they believe they know more. They have to tell me their opinion, they have to tell me what I should do, what they believe is best. They know everything, but they have no idea what they are talking about. This is risky in every situation, but in investments is really dangerous. It can totally destroy your portfolio, because when someone believes he knows more, he's going to invest on that knowledge, and he's going to get hurt. This phenomenon is known as the Dunning-Kruger effect. The Dunning-Kruger effect is the cognitive bias whereby people with low ability at a task overestimate their ability. Some researchers also include in their definition the opposite effect for high performers, their tendency to underestimate their skills. It's very important to avoid this thinking, because everyone can improve as an investor. Even Warren Buffett learns something every year. I strongly advise you to go read Berkshire Hathaway's annual shareholder letters, because there you will see that Warren Buffett always states some mistakes he did during the year. This is extremely important. Being able to admit mistakes is something fundamental to become a great investor. And most importantly, after you admit your mistake, you have to analyze it, you have to learn something from it. If we don't learn from our mistakes, we will never get better as investors. This is absolutely needed to become good investors. Another extremely important factor which I think no one pays attention to is analyzing our old investments. After we gain some expertise, some experience in investing, we should go backwards and check out our old investments to understand if our investment thesis made sense, because sometimes we get some investment right, but just out of pure luck. Perhaps our investment thesis was completely wrong, but some totally unpredictable and different event makes our investment profitable. So if you do make money investing, that's good, that's great, but you need to analyze and understand if you're making money for the right reasons or for the wrong ones. Maybe your analysis were totally wrong, but you made money nonetheless. So be very careful with this and go analyze your old investments. Perhaps you have just been lucky. Another important factor is that when you analyze a stock or any type of investment, you need to be unbiased. You need to try to be as neutral as possible. I know it's really hard, but we have to analyze investments with a pure mind, with a clear mind. We cannot analyze a stock with a biased mindset. For example, sometimes to me it happens that I expose my investment thesis on a stock and someone who has never read even one report on that company wants to tell me his opinion, wants to tell me why that company sucks. But if you have never analyzed that company, you have never read even one report, how can you tell me the stock sucks, the company sucks? So analyze your investments with an open mind. Don't start biased, don't start with an already formed opinion. Form your opinion by learning about that company, by learning about that investment. And last but not least, keep on learning, keep on studying, keep on improving. You have never arrived. We can always get better as investors, we can always learn new things. Even Warren Buffett still keeps on learning, so why we shouldn't? The investing world changes all the time. Investing is not a static activity, it's an activity which changes every year. For example, Benjamin Graham teachings are mostly unapplicable to right now markets. Even Warren Buffett had to change his strategy, and the same had to do Manish Pabrai recently. So it's very important to always analyze your strategy and try to improve it, try to grow it, try to make it better. If you stop, don't change and don't improve, you will get bad results. For example, Michael Burry is underperforming the stock market since 10 years. That's because he's trying to do the same things he did in the past. He's always trying to find the new bubble, find the new big short. This is very dangerous. He's like a modern Don Quixote trying to find the next big short, but this is extremely dangerous. You need to adapt to the changing times. And with this, I don't want to say I'm better than Michael Burry, just to be clear. I'm just saying that probably he should try to focus on something different. We have to evolve to get better. And I'm not telling you this because I believe I am a great investor, I am the best investor in the world. I'm telling you this because I know nothing. And that's why I always try to learn new things and get better. Because one day I would like to be one of the great investors, I would like to be one of the best investors in the world. Maybe I will never do it, but I'm sure gonna try it. That's it for this video. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section, and please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave a like. See you in the next video. Bye!